Okay, so it's margarita too, right? Okay, nice. Now, girls and boys, please clean up the table. Clean up the table. Collect all these crayons. Collect all these crayons.
I need 2 crayons.
Just put it in to take the banana and peel it, okay? 1 for each one.
Вилкой?
No, with your hand.
Руками?
With your fingers, right?
Финка.
No, because you're speaking too much Russian today. That's
Okay.
Або may I. Smash, like Dasha stuff. See?
Я понял, как это.
Oh, it's magic. It's good, really good. So what else do we have here? We have, what is it?
Корица. Корица.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon and cacao. Yes, and cacao here. We have poppy seeds. We have, is it sesame? Sure. What is it? Coconut chips. And coconut. And what is there?
Poppy seeds.
And
Sprinkles.
sprinkles. Right, you are.
And apples.
And apples. Right. We gonna have this donut. You see, it's like a donut. Yeah,
Это будет уже пицца.
yeah, it will be. We can call it pizza. We can call it snacks, sandwiches, or donuts. As you wish.
Everybody take?
Yeah. If you are ready with it, you take a spoon and use little spoon just to cover it with banana.
Ну что мы еще будем делать? Какао.
And spread it. Right.
Пита.
Yeah. So many ingredients.
У меня будет немного. I know something.
And poppy seeds all together. Isn't it too much? You may choose only one ingredient as you want. Ви можете обрати лише один або two ingredients.
Why?
Якщо хочете. Якщо хочете всі, то можете всі. Depends on your taste.
I don't.
Dasha, are you going to try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. She doesn't like the sprinkles.
Вона уже одну готова.
So one is ready. Okay. Glad to see.
Я 3 сделаю.
Yes, you may.
Знаешь?
May.
Дальше.
Good
Yeah,
answer. Right. Oh, it looks pretty. Looks pretty. Oh, catch it. Oh, yes. Good, you are catching. Okay. Right you are. Happy to hear it. Yeah, how do you find it? Good? Okay, tasty. Yummy? Yummy. Oh, you wanna have
And
more?
it's for you. And it's for you. It's a present.
It's a present from you. Okay.
You not put in the mouth.
I don't know your mouth. Can you open it?
Оно не так. Room.
Room, excellent. Our congratulations.